Now to some legal cases we're following this week. In this week's edition of Burden of Proof. This week is about female rappers. ABC News legal contributor Channa Lloyd joins me now for more. This one, hi Channa, great to see you. Thank you for being with us, first off. I want to get into this first one. It's a little confusing. It's GloRilla. She was arrested on felony drug charges after a significant amount of marijuana was found while police were there to investigate a burglary of her Atlanta home. And GloRilla was on social media saying she wasn't even there at the time. So how is it possible that she was arrested after the police were there for a different crime that was committed at her home?
So, Will, when the police responded to their home, what they are stating is that there was a clear smell of a narcotic, marijuana. So they looked around, and what they're stating is that it was in an open and obvious area within her home. Therefore, they have the right to charge her. And what they're charging her is with constructive drug possession, which essentially means because it's her home and she possesses the home and the things in it, and that she has control over these items, that she also has control of the drugs. So it's something that takes quite a bit to prove because they have to prove she knew it was there. They also have to show that she intended to possess it and that no one else could have used it, left it there. So it's quite a tenuous charge.
Yeah, that feels like a high bar to clear. I feel like a lawyer would be able to get that one knocked out. But let's move on to Cardi B. She's being sued by a woman who claims the rapper overreacted by throwing a microphone after the woman splashed a small portion of a drink. This went super viral. You see it there. The drink comes and there goes the mic right back where the drink came from. Now we're in court about it. This was in 2023. What's the situation here? The woman says the incident was a traumatic experience. Cardi hasn't responded to the lawsuit yet. What's the defense going to be? I mean, she obviously threw the microphone, but she obviously had a drink thrown on her as well. So what's going to happen next?
So, Will, with this one, what she's alleging is that this is assault and battery. It is an unwanted and offensive touching that put her in fear of being injured. We know that Cardi B threw the microphone, but let's remember there are a number of defenses. First, the girl threw a drink on her, so there is self-defense. There's also, she could say that although she was retaliating in self-defense, she had no intention of significantly harming her. She's going to really go after these defenses. Now, how's the judge going to make this determination? Based on the circumstances. Was it something that Cardi B retaliated in equal measure for? Was it something that she was aware she was going to injure the girl, or was she trying to stop her actions? All of that will be considered when the judge is looking at this case.
That was so instantaneous. There's no way that anybody was doing much considering of what would happen next at any point. But we appreciate you breaking it all down for us all the same. ABC News legal contributor Channa Lloyd, thank you so much for joining us.